What's going on YouTube? As you can see, your profile was signed out. They have IP flooded me out the game, and I'm gonna try to sign back in. As you can see, I have wired connection, suggestions, actions, and they are telling me that I am IP flooded, blah blah blah. Let me show you guys my modem. That is my modem. It is from Verizon. What I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna try to sign back in again. We had the lead on raid. Okay, it is not signing in. As you can see, my wire is connected. I'm gonna show you guys that everything is blinking. Still signing in. It's not working. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna start my PS3. Give it a second. Okay, turning it back on. And I'm gonna show you guys me trying to sign back on. I'm signing automatic. He's blinking. Still not signing in. So what I'm gonna do here is that I'm gonna go down network settings, internet connection, wait, net settings, wired connection, auto detect. Again, ever you have to whatever. Automatic. Okay. Not type failed. Look at my router IP right here. Okay, let's go to internet connection. Easy. Checking network. See this? Everything is good. Saving. Test connection. Obtaining. Obtain IP address. This means the PlayStation network checking. Okay, so I guess he's letting me back in, so I'm gonna cancel this. Let's go to back to sign in. And as you can see, it's not working, but now it's working. And let's see what this says. Good game, bro. You see this? I don't know what are they talking about. I just show you guys. They just let me back in, and everything was fine. So I guess it's gonna be a dispute. Second game.